Hey there, fellow travel enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, The Roaming Investor. Today, we're diving into a topic that's near and dear to every nomad's heart: travel must-haves. As frequent travelers, we know the struggle of wanting to pack light while ensuring we have all the essentials to make our journey smooth and enjoyable. So, in this video, we'll be sharing some ingenious items that will elevate your travel game. Let's get started. Versatile microfiber towels. First up, let's talk about the underrated hero of travel essentials: versatile microfiber towels. These lightweight, quick-drying towels are a game-changer. Not only do they save space in your bag, but they're also perfect for the beach, the gym, or even as a makeshift picnic blanket. They absorb water like magic and dry in no time, allowing you to stay fresh on the go. Airplane phone holder. Now, imagine settling into your long-haul flight with your favorite movies or shows right in front of you, without having to hold your phone the entire time. That's where the airplane phone holder comes in. It attaches to the tray table, giving you hands-free entertainment during the flight. It's a small accessory that can make a big difference in your in-flight comfort. Portable power bank. Let's face it, our devices are our lifelines when we travel. Whether it's navigating a new city or capturing stunning memories, we rely on them heavily. A portable power bank is an absolute must-have. Opt for a high-capacity one so you can charge your phone, camera, and even your tablet on the go. No more stressing about finding an outlet at the airport or in a cafe. Collapsible water bottle. Staying hydrated is key during travel, but bulky water bottles can be a hassle. Enter the collapsible water bottle, a space-saving gem. When it's empty, simply collapse it down to a fraction of its size. Fill it up post-security at the airport or whenever you find a water source. Plus, it's eco-friendly, helping you reduce your plastic waste. Packing cubes. For the organized nomad, packing cubes are a dream come true. These zippered fabric cubes help you compartmentalize your clothes and accessories. Not only do they keep your belongings tidy, but they also compress your items, creating extra space in your luggage. Say goodbye to the days of rummaging through your bag to find that one shirt. Multi-USB travel charger. Charging multiple devices can quickly turn into a tangled mess of cables. Simplify your charging setup with a multi-USB travel charger. With multiple ports, you can charge your phone, tablet, smartwatch, and other devices simultaneously. It's a compact and efficient way to keep your electronics juiced up. Travel-sized first aid kit. Safety first, fellow travelers. A compact first aid kit should find its way into your luggage. It doesn't have to be elaborate, just the essentials like adhesive bandages, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, and any necessary medications. It's a small investment in your well-being that can make a big difference in unexpected situations. And there you have it, our carefully curated list of travel must-haves for the modern nomad. Remember, while it's important to travel light, these clever items ensure that you're not compromising on comfort and convenience. Whether you're embarking on a spontaneous weekend getaway or a long-planned international adventure, having these essentials on hand will make your journey a breeze. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more travel tips and inspiration. Safe travels, everyone!
If you're enjoying the content on this channel, please take a moment to hit the like button and subscribe to